Hey everyone! If your Keurig isn't brewing or it's just dripping out a few drops and stopping, don't worry. Yeah, this is actually pretty common. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to fix a Keurig that's not brewing, step by step. First, let's try a simple reset. Unplug your Keurig from the wall, leave it unplugged for about 5 minutes. This helps clear minor internal glitches, like a quick refresh. After 5 minutes, plug it back in and turn it on. Next, check the water reservoir, make sure it's properly seated and filled with fresh water. If it's slightly out of place, the machine may not detect water at all. Remove the tank, rinse it, refill it, and firmly place it back. One of the most common causes is a clogged needle. Coffee grounds can get stuck and block the flow. Lift the handle and carefully inspect the needle area. Use a paperclip to gently clear out any debris. Just be careful because it is sharp. If your Keurig still isn't brewing properly, it might need descaling. Mineral buildup from water can block internal tubes over time. Fill the reservoir with a descaling solution or a mix of equal parts white vinegar and water, then run several brew cycles without a pod until the tank is empty. After that, rinse by running 2 or 3 full tanks of clean water through the machine to remove any leftover taste. Sometimes air bubbles get trapped inside the water line. To fix this, remove the reservoir and gently shake it. You can also tap the sides lightly before placing it back, then try brewing again. Now run a test brew with just water. If everything flows smoothly, great, you're good to go. If it still doesn't work, the internal pump may be failing and you might need professional repair or replacement. And that's it. Most Keurig brewing issues come down to clogs, buildup, or simple resets. So yeah, try these steps first before replacing your machine. If this helped, feel free to check out our other quick fix guides. Thanks for watching.